Well, yeah. How about this? Fall of '96 is when you guys did This Is Our Youth.
You're unbelievable.
Wow, how do you because so Mark did This Is Our Youth with Josh Hamilton and my then girlfriend Missy Yeager, who I talked about.
Great play.
And with Kenny Lonergan wrote, and they did it.
Y'all saw that, right? Y'all saw that, right? Whoa. What the fuck is going on?
Oh no. Oh my god, not again. again.
Genuinely good videos possible that will make you all want to stay subscribed. That and the general economic model of Nebula has led to some really good exclusive content like our wacky cross-country travel-based game show called Crime Spree and real-life Lord's Fantastic series Modern Conflicts, diving deep into recent battles and wars in a way that isn't allowed on YouTube due to their content.
Take a lane!
Kibosca, like your dad, ate all the time. He's the one that got me hooked on that shit. But okay, now Auntie can't stand that stuff.
I can't either.
I can't even eat it.
The last time Dad got the kielbasa and he made cabbage and kielbasa, I couldn't eat it. And he's like, "What's wrong?" I'm like,
"Whoa, whoa, what is going on?"
Yeah, pull over.
Get out your phone, Sal.
I'm certified. I have to go.
That's what they all say.
What?
That's what they all say.
Yep. Alright, honey, well, I'll let you go now. We can talk to Ashley.
Alright.
I'm on my way to pick up his brother.
Drive safe.
Alright,
People are driving like, ouch!
I know.
Ah! That's what they all say.
What?
That's what they all say.
Yep. Alright, honey, well, I'll let you go now. We can talk to Ashley.
Alright.
I'm on my way to pick up his brother.
Drive safe.
Alright,
People are driving like, ouch! Fuck!
I know.
Ah!